People often ask me, how do I more easily manifest what it is that I want? How can I do it faster? I want certain things and they don't happen. Well, here's an answer that is going to, if you take it on, you will really start to see the power that you have in manifesting. You will recognize the steps along your way to it. You will start to see that what I'm suggesting you do is really working. And the thing to do is whatever it is that you want, you've got to live from that place in your mind already done. Let me repeat that. You've got to live from your desire already done in your mind. See yourself living it before you go to sleep at night. Your head is on the pillow. Your eyes are closed. I want you to see yourself living the reality of what you want. See yourself in it, on the stage of your mind, doing it, living it. How are you feeling? Feel the joy of living that reality. Notice the people around you, the house you're living in, the car you're driving, the things you're doing, the difference you're making. How are you serving others? See yourself living that reality in your mind. You go to sleep with that vibration. You sleep in that vibration. You wake up in that vibration. And before you get out of bed, do exactly the same thing. See yourself living that outcome in your mind like you're already living it. And then when you step out into your day, live like that person, dress like that person, speak like that person, interact like that person. And I promise you, if you do that for 30 days straight, watch what shows up, watch what opportunities show up, see how you feel. But if you make that a practice, and if you forget a day, then go back to it the next day. It's practice. Live from that place. That's the answer, guys. To manifest something that you want to live from that place already done in your mind, and then live as that person every day. Live like her or him. Live it in your mind. Live it out in your daily life. Happy manifesting. Have a great day.